This is the behind the scenes episode.
Eric's doing his camera porn now.
I hope the power comes on soon.
Hey guys, I hope y'all have been staying warm and dry, because here it's been raining for about the last week straight, and that's caused a lot of chaos. Power outages and internet outages because of that.
After more than 10 inches of rain in 36 hours, the flash floods washing out bridges and roads, submerging homes and businesses. In some cases, motorists caught off guard.
What we can tell you is that the electrical fire began at the AT&T switching station along Furman Drive in Richardson shortly after 9:45 this morning. It was contained to the electrical room. The fire department is calling it an undetermined electrical fire and says there is no indication weather played any role.
And knocked all of our power out. But I still managed to grab some stuff. We still had fun. But stuff that's been going on around the shop is we got the Challenger buffed out. Hey, Eric. What's up, Doug?
What is that you're holding?
I got two cameras. I got one for me and one for you. See now? Yeah, it works both ways.
This is my new career. I'm a photographer's helper now.
Exactly.
Can't wait till we go on the next photo shoot.
Exactly. I think that's tomorrow for the home day shoot.
Home day shoot. So now I get a close-up look at the guinea pig on top of the camera.
Yep. I don't have the gimbal hooked up to anything.
What's a gimbal?
It's a stabilizer that the camera sits on.
Stabilizer. See this new technology.
Y'all having a conversation?
Yep.
And here comes Keith coming in.
Hi, Keith.
Hey, this is pretty funny. I'm about to put crackers everywhere.
Oh, close up. Ready where you are.
Shoot them through my nose.
So what are we working on today, Eric?
I think we're working on the C10. Nobody's seen the C10 yet, so.
We're working on the C10, just a little one of Casey's customers over at the lube shop. Got a nice clean little C10 here. Trying to make the window go up a little easier.
Yeah, you should show them the hood hinges you replaced already.
Oh yeah. Little ad for LMC truck here. Got a neat little motor in it. Hey everybody. Say we were just talking about Zach, and Eric said jigsaw, so I want to show you the little gift Zach brought in for me. Check this baby out. It's almost as old as I am.
Is that the first jigsaw ever made?
This is the This is Fred Flintstone's jigsaw. And it still runs.
You got a project in mind to use it for?
No, not yet. But, you know, I'm going to clean it up a little bit, you know, use it for display. What's up, Zach?
Nothing.
See, I've had advanced training already, so now I know.
So yeah,
I know to hold the camera away from my face.
You're ahead of me, but I'm hiding behind the camera.
Hey, Zach, can you tell us why the power's out?
Well, I was wiring up the fuel pump, and I touched the fuel pump wire to the ground, and the power went out.
Oh my God!
I know. I mean,
Anybody call Encore yet?
anybody call MSD, figure out why the power went out?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I know, because we don't have the cars not grounded to the lift.
Oh, well, we kind of got power.
We better run some ground wires from the
Keith
lift
is killing
to
it
the floor.
with the background sound of him running power tools.
He's running those air tools until it runs out of air.
Yeah.
I think it might have just hit that point.
Yeah.
Everybody's gonna be like, they say they have no power, but they have lights on.
Yeah.
I'm wiring still.
I see that.
Now I'm
Oh,
just
you need to show them.
How many miles of wire do you think's in this car?
all of it. What am I showing them?
All the stuff you finished, because in the last video you were 12 wires into a 54.
Oh.
Oh yeah, check out
So-
this cool one.
There's the bulkhead coming out with the harness. Feeds up over the MSD box.
You got a light that you need to grab the light then.
Comes across and plugs right into the ECM once it focuses. I see why Eric's job is so hard now.
Why?
Because you just got to sit here and focus. I can't focus. If I can't focus, why is the camera going to focus?
Look, you just need some light.
No, now it's...
Where are you
now it's-
pointing where are you trying to film? Right up here?
Yeah, right there. Now it doesn't make it... You got it totally bleached out. It's all white.
There we go. Zach's got this thing tucked and Frenched and right into the firewall. Super clean package, but he doesn't want to do it again.
What did you say? Zach has a super clean package? That's what he said.
So now it's
His
called...
words, not mine.
It's Trauma Tuesday.
Look at that color.
Hi guys.
Hey, we gotta show them our twinsy burns.
Dun dun dun. Matching tattoos.
We like working together so much. We're not blood brothers, we're burn brothers.
Burn brothers. And if there's anybody out there at TV land that's wondering why it is that light's on,
Oh, we already did that. I was like, everybody's gonna be like,
what do you mean?
why they say there's no power when that one's on?
So 3-phase coming into the building. I think mainly for the paint booth. The compressors, are they 3-phase?
Yeah. Why do you have the frame sideways?
Because I had to weld, but we also took out the dimples here, because the dimples went protruded upwards, and the floor panel will be flat, is what we have been discussing, Zach and I.
This is
So
the bottom of the car that nobody will ever see.
can't paint in there; it won't look good.
And it's gonna be a unibody, so if you powder coat it,
It's gonna
you won't be able to powder coat it.
So we're just gonna remove them. Put these back. I could put this plate back in there. We could have them protrude down. Put them in this way.
That's the way it was in.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Sorry. That way. But then you get stuff all caking up in here, and it eventually rot the floor out. So. No to dimples. And it's really killing Zach, because Zach likes to dimple everything.
I do not.
Well, most everything. I mean, dimples are good. They add strength, rigidity. This is
Dimples are some of
showing
my
off
strongest
work
features.
from last week's work.
You grind it all smooth.
Pretty bueno.
Oh, we're still filming him.
The radiator.
Oh
The
yeah,
mount.
what did you do?
I came in on Friday and started making the mounts for the condenser.
Right here. Which will eventually have. If Jack doesn't dimple dye anything, he puts holes in it. So.
Hey, Eric.
What's going on, Doug?
Hey, we're working on the 64 Vet today. Can you tell it's a 64 Vet?
Now, we just actually got this back from, what, powder coating a few days ago?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah, we went on the road trip to go get it.
Yeah, we didn't film that, though.
Yep. No, we didn't get a smoothie or anything on the way.
No snow cones, no nothing.
We were way too dedicated.
Yeah,
Jeez.
just straight working.
Yep.
But yeah, we got the Corvette chassis back from powder coating. It came out really nice. They had to sandblast the crap out of it. All that nice welding looks nice and blended.
Yeah.
That's all one color, and we got what, a Ride Tech kit?
Yep. Got a little Ride Tech kit going on
So I think it's gonna have some pretty trick
going on
suspension.
here. This is my morning crossword puzzle, so you'll have to bear with me. Gee.
This is what we got. This is what we call quality production on a budget.
Here we go. Yes, that is correct. You know, Eric's bringing us into the new age of high technology here.
We have a director over here holding the script.
Yeah.
He's giving Doug his lines.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't say that.
Yeah. No, you can't say that.
I can't post that hump day picture.
Shop Dad Productions.
Shop Dad Productions. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna let you get to it. I'm gonna throw a GoPro time lapse on and film some of you getting this front end together.
Okay, Eric, just for you, I'm giving this a shot. All right. Got the lower control arm and coilovers in.
Probably on photographs.
He showed me how to record on it. Okay, there you go.
Several days later.
Hey, Eric!
I just need you to give the brief. This is the end of the video, Doug. You've already done "Hey Eric" about 10 times in this video.
We're making progress on the Corvette. As you can see, motors, trans mocked up, clutch installed, front end mocked up. We're working on the rear end right now. Eric just picked up the differential, and we're gonna scuff it, paint it, and make it pretty and get it hanging in there. So stay tuned. Next week there'll be more.